Assalamualaikum. So today we are going to apply for another scholarships that is being offered by Government of Indonesia. There is no application fee and no IELTS requirement to apply for this scholarship. It is available for bachelor's, master's as well as PhD programs. So to apply for this scholarship we will just go to Google and type here scholarshipsguides.com. After opening this website, I will just type here Indonesia and click on search button. So I will see UINSA Fully Funded Scholarships 2024. So I will click over here. Here we can see a complete detail of the scholarship that is being offered by Indonesia government. So there are different two types of scholarships that are being offered. One is regular scholarship and other is achievement scholarship. So the benefits for both these scholarships are also mentioned over here. For regular scholarship, these are the details that are being mentioned. It is a regular scholarship is a partial scholarship, so while achievement scholarship is full scholarship and all your fees is covered in this scholarship. So for eligibility criteria you can see these lines, and here is a list of required documents that are required to apply for this scholarship, and there is no IELTS or TOEFL requirement. It is optional. Okay, to apply for this scholarship, and here is a deadline mentioned. Okay, deadline is till 27 May 2024. Okay, to apply we will just click over here. It will take us to university website. Here we can see a complete form that we need to fill to apply for the scholarship. Okay, so first of all we need to write our full name over here, then passport or ID card number, then your date of birth, country of birth, nationality, email address, mailing address, phone number with country code, and then type of scholarship with which you want to apply. If you want to apply for partial scholarship, then you will have to click on regular button, otherwise you have to click on achievement. So whichever degree you want to apply, bachelor, master, doctorate, you can select it over here. And here is a list of different programs that are being offered, different bachelor's, masters and doctorate programs. So you can select your program from this list. Okay, then here we have different documents that we need to upload over here. First application degree program form, and we will click on template button. Okay, after clicking that template button we will come over here. Here we can see this we will need to fill this admission form. We can just download it by clicking on file and then download button. So you have to click on Microsoft Word and this form will be downloaded. Okay, it is downloaded. Then you will have to fill this whichever program you want to apply. Undergraduate, if you want to apply for bachelor's, then you will have to select undergraduate, postgraduate for masters, and doctorate program for PhD programs. Then you have to fill your personal details, parent details. Here you will fill your father details and then mother details. Okay, after filling these details, here you will write your academic background details. If you are applying for undergraduate students, bachelor's, then you will have to fill your high school details or intermediate details. If you want to apply for postgraduate degree, masters or PhD, then you will have to fill your graduation details. Okay, so if you have any Indonesian language proficiency, you will click on yes, otherwise no. Okay, then study programs and courses details. Here you will list programs that you want to apply at this university. You can write up to 4 programs, study programs, and here you will mention whether these are master, undergraduate or doctoral programs. So if you have any health insurance, you will click yes, otherwise no. Here if you have any health insurance, then you will have to provide its details also. If not, you are going to take medical insurance in Indonesia. If you want to bring your family with you, then you will click on yes, otherwise no button. Then you will have to write details of emergency person, his name, address, relationship. Okay, how you want to finance your studies. If you want to apply for scholarship, then you will click on scholarship. Have you obtained the scholarship yet? If you have already obtained any scholarship, then you will click on yes, otherwise no. So source of information, where you get information, you can just take recommendation from student or friend, this button. Okay, then you will sign over here, write your place and date, fill these details, and then you have to upload this form. Okay, you will upload this after clicking on choose file and upload this form that you have filled. Okay, then you have to upload a copy of degree if you are applying for masters. If you want to apply for bachelor's, then you will upload a copy of intermediate certificate. Okay, so here you will upload your passport, transcript, CV. Here template is given. You can just click over template button and you will see a template of CV. You have to fill all of your personal data and other educational background, awards or achievements, recommendation letter, or you can also upload police clearance certificate. You can also upload motivational letter and its template is also given. So if you have any English proficiency certificate, you can upload it over here, otherwise leave it. And then you have to upload a formal photo with the mentioned size, and if you have any achievements, you can also upload it over here. So after uploading all these documents, you will click on I'm not a robot button and then click on submit button to submit this application form. So it is a complete procedure to apply for this scholarship.